Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, so let me introduce myself. So I'm Pooja. Currently I'm working at EY GDS, one of the big four firms as a risk analyst. So today I'm gonna tell you about my whole journey, how I got selected in EY, the struggles, the preparation, the interview process, and of course some real tips that gonna help you to get into Big Four too. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my career journey. So in year 2019, I just came for the BBA and I took admission into GL Bajaj. And honestly, I was not sure about my career goals, and I had no clear goals. But after completing my BBA, I just took a year of break. Not break, actually, I was gaining the experience into corporate, and after having a year of experience into corporate, I just planned for the masters, and I took admission into Galgottias University. Of course, because I didn't clear any MBA entrance examinations, so I decided to took admission into any MBA colleges. So I went in Galgottias University because I heard some ratings and feedbacks about the college that it has a great placement. So I took admission into Galgottias, and after completing my first year, I realized that I should be more serious about my career. So the companies coming for the placement drives, and of course I was applying into multiple companies, but in starting आप बहुत सारी कंपनीज में अप्लाई करते हो, फिर आप रिजेक्ट होते हो बहुत सारी कंपनीज में, then you just learn from the mistakes. And same happened with me. I just kept applying in few companies, and also getting rejected from many companies. And of course I used to apply on LinkedIn, Naukri, and the many job portals. But honestly, I was not getting a positive response from these portals. So the last thing was the campus placement. So I kept applying from the campus, and so I applied for the EY as well. And one thing is very important here, and that is I was not from the finance background, I was from the operations background and business analytic. So I was not getting into relevant profiles in my specialization. So I just decided so apply into some other specialization as well, because कॉर्पोरेट में आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन मैटर नहीं करता है ज़्यादा, आपके स्किल्स मैटर करते हैं कि आपको क्या आता है, आप उस प्रोफाइल के लिए सुटेबल हो या नहीं हो. सो दैट इज ओनली मैटर्स. So I applied in the EY for the risk analyst profile. Okay, so now let's talk about the actual process. The EY and the other big four companies hires in three ways. First is the campus placement, second is from the reference, employer's reference, and the last one is from the LinkedIn or other job portals. Okay, so let's talk about the preparation part. So I just followed three easy steps. The first step was building a good CV, building a good and impressive CV that is more relatable to the JD part, that gonna help you to get selected in any company, because the first step is CV for shortlisting part, right? So the second step was focusing on my soft skills and the hard skills, and also about the communication. And the last step was brushing up on the MBA topics, and about the Excel, data analysis, and the risk management profile, because that is related to the JD, because being prepared for the JD, that gonna help you to get selected in that profile. So I just followed these steps. So that's all. So if you want any part 2 video that includes my EY journey experience, and how my interview went, and when did I get the offer letter, when I had my joining, so you can comment down for the part 2. I'll post the part 2 very soon. And if you like this I'll post the second part very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.